look in your driver's side mirror, you'll see this phrase, "Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear." When it comes to automotive assembly line applications, warnings of potential hazards are paramount so that workers can be kept safe. This GalcoTV Tech Tip talks about the versatile role that Stacklights play in mitigating injury risk and keeping workers safe. Stacklights, commonly referred to as signal towers or indicator lights, are commonplace on manufacturing floors, and they typically consist of a vertical column of LED lights that emit distinct signals such as red, yellow, green, and blue to convey important information. They can also contain or be paired with audible alerts so workers have full visual and audible protection. Here are some examples of how Stacklights can be used to enhance safety in automotive manufacturing applications. Stacklights are commonly used to indicate the operational status of machines. A green light might signify normal operation, while a red light indicates a fault or stoppage. This clear visual communication helps workers identify issues quickly and respond accordingly. In emergencies, Stacklights can flash or emit a distinctive sound, drawing immediate attention to the problem. This ensures a rapid response from workers and minimizes the potential for accidents. By using different colors, Stacklights can mark safety zones within the manufacturing facility. For instance, a blue light might indicate a pedestrian-only area, ensuring that employees stay safe in high-traffic areas. Stacklights can be synchronized with conveyors and assembly lines, guiding workers through their tasks with the changing colors. This helps streamline operations and helps reduce the risk of errors. Now that you know how Stacklights can enhance safety in automotive manufacturing, you can shop our in-stock selection of Stacklights from trusted brands like Verma, Patlite, and Fannenberg by visiting us at Galco.com.